Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, especially throughout Greater Rutherford and select tributaries of the Broad River. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Forest City, Rutherford, Spindale, Ellenboro, Bostic, Cliffside, Henrietta, Green Creek, Harris and Sunshine. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Now for the official National Weather Service.